have been trying to make charcoal for what seems like forever. You guys know I have our seamless perfect fit tanks are very, very custom. They are not like any other, until I get ripped off, knocked off, they are not like any other tank on the market. They are super, super stretchy, but they aren't that crappy kind of stick to your fingers seamless material that does not feel good and rolls up and clings to your body and all that stuff, okay? These are very, very, like, they have a very silky cotton feel. They are super, super stretchy, okay? We have really struggled in the past making heathers with these. The factory's like, we can't do it. I'm like, yes, you can. Yes, you can. I believe in you. I am a champion for my factories all the time. I believe you can make it. We have had this one in the works for probably 4 years. And there were always issues, and they couldn't get it to stretch, and it wouldn't retain its stretch, and they couldn't get the blended white color in. There was all the reasons, okay? We finally, they finally did it. So it is in the original long, and it comes in the shorter length, okay? This, I have been wearing this one. I pretty much wear it every day. The girls will probably tell you. I wear it all the time under everything, okay? I love, this is the original long, so they are long, okay? They cover your butt with leggings good. I scrunch them up. They stay down on your hips. They don't roll up, okay? And they're super, super stretchy. So they're one size. They are fitted to my body. Obviously, you're gonna see my rolls and imperfections, but they're really perfect for layering. That's why I designed them, to layer under stuff, under tanks, under things that are see-through, under stuff that's itchy, or whatever. It's just that perfect, really great charcoal color. It probably is the new color that I wear the most. Okay.